Ever wondered how you can save money by collecting and storing seeds from your existing plants? Seed saving is a cost-effective and sustainable gardening practice that anyone can master. It's as simple as it sounds. Let's dive into the process of seed saving, shall we? So, where do we start? With the right plants, of course. Not every leafy friend in your garden is suitable for seed saving. Let's focus on the easy-peasy ones, like tomatoes, peppers, beans, and peas. An interesting fact about these plants is that they have self-pollinating flowers, which means they do all the hard work for you. Plus, their seeds require minimal processing, so they're perfect for beginners. Once you've identified the right plants, it's time to collect the seeds. Collecting seeds is a task that requires a keen eye and a gentle touch. Begin by selecting the healthiest, most mature plants. These are likely to produce the strongest offspring. Collect the seeds and make sure to clean them meticulously. This involves removing any pulp or plant material that may be attached. A clean seed ensures optimal germination and growth. Use warm water and a soft brush for this process, but be careful not to damage the seeds. With your seeds collected and cleaned, it's time to store them for future use. Proper storage is key to preserving the viability of your seeds. Picture a cool, dark, and dry place. That's the ideal condition for seed storage. Envelopes or jars can be your storage vessels, safeguarding your tiny treasures. But don't forget to label them. Knowing what's inside each package is crucial for a successful planting season. Write down the plant type and the date it was stored. And there you have it, your very own collection of seeds ready for the next planting season. So, we've covered quite a bit today, haven't we? From pinpointing the perfect plants, to meticulous seed collection and cleaning, all the way to proper storage. Remember, seed saving not only saves you money, but also contributes to a sustainable and bountiful garden. So, why not give it a try?